Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato. Today I'll be making for you grilled Char Siu baby back ribs. In a large 2-gallon zip-top bag, combine the sliced ginger, shoyu, sugar, water, hoisin sauce, 5-spice, and red food coloring. Seal the bag and shake it well for about 10 seconds to mix the marinade. Open the bag, add the ribs, squeeze out as much of the air as possible, seal again, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or up to 3 days to marinate. When ready to cook, remove the ribs from the marinade, reserve the liquid, place the ribs on a grill for 5 minutes on each side. If desired, baste the ribs once or twice during the grilling process with the reserved marinade for extra flavor. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.